Specialty Products is a leading supplier of surface preparation technology and systems. Specialty Products Field Services Division furnishes and operates state-of-the-art portable wheel blast systems designed specifically for cleaning steel tank surfaces, both horizontal and vertical. Specialty Products utilizes 4 basic systems to handle most requirements for cleaning steel storage tanks, both horizontal and vertical. Key design elements include a high-speed blast wheel that uses a mixture of steel shot and steel grit in an integrated blast housing, which creates its own Class 2A containment area at the working surface. The self-contained system clarifies and separates the removed paint debris and dust in the blast housing itself. Then, the debris is drawn into a high-performance dust collector that can be located up to 600 feet from the blasting unit. Hazardous waste can be deposited directly into approved disposal drums. Recently, Specialty Products has worked as a subcontractor on a variety of tank preparation projects. At Middleborough, Massachusetts, this water tank, 168 feet high and 72 feet in diameter, sat on a hill in the middle of town. The water tank was subject to gusting wind that blew down the containment screens. Specialty Products used its 350 vertical unit with a blast pattern 14 inches wide and uniquely designed hoist and winch system to prepare 34,000 square feet of vertical surface to an SP6 specification in 8 normal working days. The efficient design of the vertical equipment and the concurrent inspection by the independent on-site inspection company allowed the prime contractor to paint next to the blast area while blasting operations were in progress. Downtown Richmond, Virginia was the location of this water tank, 50 feet in height and 100 feet in diameter. It had 7,200 square feet of roof surface and 14,000 square feet of vertical surface. Specialty Products blasted this 21,200 square feet to an SP10 specification in 4 regular working days. Specialty Products' 350 horizontal blasting unit weighs only 750 pounds. Thus, it is light enough to be used on tank roofs. Moreover, its companion dust collector can be located on the ground, up to 600 feet away from the blast head. A unique design feature allows this 350 horizontal blasting unit to be broken down into 6 modular parts and passed through a 19-inch manhole. This facilitates the efficient blasting of tank floors. Where project considerations, for instance the weight of a larger blasting unit or the configuration, shape, or construction of the roof, do not permit the use of our patented winch and rigging system, Specialty Products employs a crane to suspend its vertical blasting units. On this new fertilizer storage tank, 40 feet in height and 66 feet in diameter, at Petersburg, Virginia, Specialty Products prepared 10,700 square feet of vertical surface to an SP10 in less than 4 working days. Again, the prime contractor painted at the same time next to the area where blasting was ongoing. Two petroleum storage tanks were blasted at this Chevron terminal in Roanoke, Virginia. The larger Specialty Products 500 blasting systems with 20-inch wide cleaning patterns did most of the outside shells and the entire roofs to an SP6 on 2 tanks, 48 feet high and 100 feet in diameter, or a total of 42,000 square feet in 6 blasting days. One particularly sensitive application was the removal of lead paint from this water storage tank, 120 feet in height and 72 feet in diameter, located on the top of a hill in a prime residential section of Swampscott, Massachusetts. Specialty Products used its large 500 vertical unit, plus a special hoist box for additional control, and a crane to support the hoist and blasting unit. The dust collector, located at the base of the tank, deposited the hazardous debris directly into sealed, approved plastic disposal drums. Specialty Products ran one pass to remove 24 mils of lead paint to an SP6 commercial blast. Its onboard dust collection system completely contained the lead dust. The average TSP monitor readings under the scrutiny of the independent on-site inspection company were 0.17 micrograms per cubic meter over a 12-hour period. This was significantly below the EPA mandated limits of 1.5 micrograms per cubic meter per 12-hour period. Specialty Products Field Service Division provides an environmentally safe, enclosed blasting system that guarantees the prime painting contractor dramatic savings. Specialty Products Field Service Division helps the prime painting contractor to reduce inefficient and messy open-air blasting, decrease labor cost and total on-site time while increasing production, eliminate the erection of costly containment screens around the entire tank, minimize abrasive consumption, lower waste disposal costs and liability, provide a clean, dust-free uniform surface profile, and permit painting or other work to occur simultaneously. One company combines superior technology, innovative systems, and experienced technical field service for efficient surface preparation of steel tanks. Specialty Products. One company has hands-on dramatic solutions for the self-contained blasting of steel tanks. Specialty Products. One company furnishes an experienced, professional technical staff for self-contained blasting of steel tanks. Specialty Products. Specialty Products, using proven technology to achieve efficient results. For additional information or quotations on your specific steel tank requirements, contact Specialty Products at 1-800-637-2264 or via email at tswan@specialtyproducts.net.